Alright, this video will be 4 more questions of test practice. The table shows the price of different numbers of downloaded songs. Which equation shows the cost C of n number of downloaded songs? So basically we need to find the unit rate, which is also K, which is also M. They're all a lot of the same things. We've been calling them all the same things, but it's easy enough to figure out, I think. So let's look at 750 divided by 5. Decimal should go on top. So it looks like it's $1.50 a song. I could test another one. I could do 1050 divided by 5. And see if that still works out. I mean 7. 1735. Yeah, it looks like it's $1.50. Stays pretty consistent. So the answer is B, because 150 is the K. Y equals KX, or Y equals MX. So that's our answer. Okay, let's look at the next one. Joe paid $45 for a video game that was regularly priced at $60. Which equation shows how to find the percent of decrease? Actually, this is a really bad question because you're not going to have this on your test. But it is over of equals x over 100 is one of the ways to find it. The is the part, the of is the whole. So 45 over 60 equals x over 100. Do we have anything that looks like that? Yep, right here. So that would have been your best answer, but you're not going to be tested on that. We'll learn that next week. All right, next. Let's see this one. Mario created a table to help him graph the total distance d that he will walk in t days. Which explanation best describes what the ordered pair 1, 1.5 in the table means? A says it is the distance in miles Mario has walked in one day. B says it is the time in hours Mario spends walking in one day. C says it is the time in hours Mario spends walking 1.5 miles. And D says it is the distance in miles Mario has walked in 1.5 days. So what does, I think distance in miles walked in 1.5 days. That's out because we're talking about one day. Hours Mario spends walking 1.5 miles. Hours. Well, it's days, not hours. Time in hours, again, it's hours, and we're talking about days. So I think A is probably our best answer. Okay, let's do this one. What is the constant of proportionality for the line on the graph? So this is a good time to do slope. So we're going to do up, over, up, over. And so it's 2 up, 2 over. And this is a bad picture. This middle part isn't really very good. So we're just going to do up, over. It keeps working over here. 2 up, 2 over, 2 up, 2 over. So 2 up, 2 over, which ends up being positive 1.